there is this review point named entries without name that gives you a list of all the transactions that are missing the name. So all you can simply do is that just simply click on it and just start assigning the appropriate vendor name, and then it will be saved. By default, we sort this by memo. So what happens is that if there are transactions with the same kinds of memo, those will show up together so that you can select multiple of them just like this, and you can even assign the name from the bulk panel as well. So this just makes the whole assignment process very easy. We got some configuration here. So when you click on config here, you can exclude the type. So typically we don't assign names to journal entries, so you can exclude it. So by default, if there are any such journal entries missing the name, it will not show up here, right? So based on your needs, you can decide which transactions type you want to exclude it. Likewise, some accounts where you're not necessarily tracking the name, for example, you got a depreciation account or amortization account, you can always select them. So anytime there are transactions recorded to those accounts, it will not show up. So this is how you can look at all the transactions without name, and you can simply assign the names to all of them.